Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us start. First of all, extremely sorry for the inconvenience. We were having some technical issues, but now I think we are good to go. Okay, so good evening, everybody. I am Snehal Patil, the management lead of the Google Developer Students Club. First of all, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all of you who have gathered here for this session. Basically, this is an introductory session. Before starting, we have a short video for you all, which will brief you about what GDSC actually is. So, Rohan, please play the video.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university. Some students have overcome personal barriers with the help of their DSC community on their journey to become developers. These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, actually on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that the technology provide in our local communities.
GSC is a family, and it's not just about the programming, it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership. A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, flood. Maybe we can develop applications to all these problems. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their communities. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
I hope you might have understood a little about the GDSC. Okay, so in this session, we will be telling you about what GDSC is, what all events we have conducted till so far, and what all events we will be conducting in the near months to come. Okay, so Rohan, please walk us through the rest of the part.
Okay. So am I audible?
Yes, you are. Go on.
Just anyone please confirm me in chat. Am I audible?
Yes, Rohan.
Okay. So this is our agenda for today's session. First, we will have a look at what exactly GDSC is all about. Then we will have a look at campaigns which GDSC conducts. Then we will have a introduction to our core team of our GDSC SITS. Then I will let you know how you all can join our GDSC SITS club. And then I will share about our club socials. Okay. So let's start. So yes, what is exactly GDSC? So GDSC are a Google Developer Student Club community, which are groups for colleges and university students interested in Google Developer technologies. So by joining a GDSC, students grow their knowledge in peer-to-peer learning and environment and build a solution for local businesses and their communities. So yes, as a university education provides a strong theoretical foundation, but to launch our career in industry, we need strong skills. We can develop those with the help of GDSs. So these are the few campaigns which are conducted by Google throughout the GDSs. So there are many speaker sessions which are lined up for each Google community. Then there is a cloud campaign, Android campaign, Flutter campaign. Then there is also solution challenge in which we have to develop some product which solves the local issue. Then we have cloud campaign too also. Then there is a web campaign and ML campaign also. So yeah, these are a few screenshots of the people who attended the Cloud Ready campaign, and they were very happy about the campaign. These are the LinkedIn posts of their students. Okay, so now let's have an introduction to our GDSC SITS core team. So yes, Abhishek is our Google Developer Student Club lead at our college, and myself, Rohan Kulkarni, I am web lead for our college. So yeah, web development is broadly divided into three parts: front end, back end, and then DevOps. So in the front end, basically website designing and website development are considered. And in back end, we develop server that help us to get data from the database. And in DevOps, it is basically considered as development operations in which we host our website to the internet. Next, we have Vishwajit, who is a Flutter lead. Vishwajit, you can take on the session.
Okay, thanks Rohan. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit Vaitzer. I am a Flutter lead at GDSC SITS Narai. Okay, so let's talk about Flutter. Flutter is a free and open source UI framework which is developed by the Google for building mobile applications. Flutter allows us to build mobile applications for both iOS and Android with the same programming language. And this capability makes building iOS and Android apps similar and faster. Okay, thank you. Over to you, Vinay.
So, hey everyone, I am Vinay Viprati and graduate at GDSC SITS and second year CS student at SITS. Hope you all are doing good. So, basically, Android campaign is basically a fun and month-long event where we learn new Android skills, develop application, develop applications, boost our Android skills. During the event, we conduct Android study jams. So basically, Android study jams are community organized study groups for people to do hands-on learning for Android application development. So in these sessions, I'll be explaining about core Android concepts. I'll be doing live demos of developing Android applications, and I'll be answering your doubts and much more. So not just this, so you can earn goodies from Google and get certificate which you can show off on LinkedIn, etc. Are you excited to learn new skill and build amazing apps? So thank you for listening to me. I would like to call Rohan to continue.
Okay. Yes, Vinay. Thank you for your introduction. Now we will look at our rest of team members. So we have Yash as our technical lead. We have Omkar as our cloud lead. We have Yash Raval as our ML lead. And Snehal Patil is management lead. Ashutosh is our outreach lead. Dhrumi is our event lead. Gayatri is also our event lead. Venkatesh is our graphic lead who helps in designing the poster and all that. And Sudhavana is our media lead who handles all social media. Okay. So now you can get developer badge for our college club like our GDSC club from this link. Mm. I will drop this link in a chat box. You all can go there and get your developer badge and also share it on LinkedIn or any social media platform where you are part of. You can also tag GDSC SITS, like Instagram handle is available there, Twitter handle is there, LinkedIn is there. Yeah, so our official mail is gdscsits@gmail.com. If you have any queries regarding any program or anything, you can reach out to us at this email. Okay. Yeah, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself or answer in chat. Till that, I will paste the both links in the chat box.
You all have any questions? Feel free to ask.
Ma'am, what is the benefit of this club?
So hey, you will be like getting trainings on different Google products from like from us or like the facilitator who are trained by Googlers on some technologies, and then they will be training you on some Google products. Recently we had Google Cloud and uh, Android Study Jam where like you get to learn about different Google technologies. So it basically helps you to grow and learn in terms of that specific technology. So and also you get some rewards for attending and completing that campaign, like some goodies or appreciation certificate. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can we legally attend any courses without any knowledge about coding or programming?
Yeah, so this is basically for the beginners who don't have any idea about that specific technology. So yeah, they are that's for just a beginner to start in that technology.
Are there any issues between we can attend any courses or all courses?
So it's not a course, it's basically a campaign or a event. Like today's session we have organized. So like this is an introductory session where we are going to learn about here. So like you get to, yeah, am I audible?
Okay, Abhishek, I think
Yes,
there is
sir.
some technical issue at your end.
Yeah.
So yeah, you are audible now. You can go ahead.
Okay. So like what was the question? Can you repeat? Like I think you were asking about the courses. So like for Android Study Jam, there was some courses that you need to complete, and like the Google 30 days of Google Cloud program we had earlier. In that we you had to complete some task to get goodies. So yeah, mm, like you get training from the facilitator. It's not like a course; it's an event that happens for you to learn.
Sir, what kind of work we have to do here?
So like you don't have to work, you have to learn from this club, and like in case you want to give some knowledge that you have, that you can bring up through this club and like give your ideas, and so that other students can learn from your knowledge, or you get to learn different technologies, specifically Google products in this club. So yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how do you guys belong to SITS?
So basically, like there are like at the starting of the session we showed a video. Like in that there was a clip there that showed like there are 700 DSCs around the globe. So like every some colleges apply at Google to bring a DSC at their colleges, and like after a rigorous interview rounds and selection process, like some colleges get a chance to have DSC in their college. So this year, like our college has got a chance to be part of this Google Developer Student Club. So yeah, we are from this college, but we applied to get DSC at our college.
So is this the first year?
Yeah, so this is the first year, and yeah, in case like we get a good candidate, like Google gets a good candidate, it will like surely be continued like further years. So this is the first time. Like any more questions, if anyone want to ask?
Sir, can we get certificate after this course?
So like like what course are you like talking about?
Of course, I mean this club. Like there is also one club like Wisdom Eye. So they'll give us certificate, na?
Okay, like Rohan, can you share that campaign list so that we can just
Yes, yes,
tell
just a
them? Yeah.
minute. Just a minute.
Uh, yeah, let them show this. So this is the Google Cloud Ready program that we did like 4 to 5 months back. So this is how like you need to complete some training program, or some task is given to you to complete that, and after completing you get some reward from Google itself, and also the certification has been provided. So like Rohan, the next slide you can show the campaign one. Yeah, so like we already had completed the Google Cloud campaign and the Android campaign like last month back. So now we have is the Flutter campaign coming up in next few months, and the solution challenge is just started and will end in March. So and then we will have a cloud campaign too, and web and ML campaign that will be organized like in next few months. So after the Flutter campaigns, all the campaigns are left for you to be part of, and you can get certificates and goodies for the same. And there will be more events that will be organized for you, so that you get to learn about more technologies. So yeah, the certificate will be provided for the event, for the specific events uh, that has like criteria of certificates.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'd like to add something more about the certificate also. So actually, Google provides certain batches. Means when we complete the module, we are given some batches of that module. So they are also considered as certificate. So sometimes the badges are given, sometimes the certificates are given. That totally depends on which platform the Google is taking the course. Means they will provide you modules and you have to complete that.
Sir, is it free or should pay any cost?
No, actually, the all the campaigns of Google are free.
So this is
There is a
actually a
bad
community, like
code
where you
issue.
get to learn about. Yeah.
Yes, yes, go ahead, Abhishek.
So like this is a
Bad
community
code
where
issue.
like students like us. Yeah, Abhinav, I will get back to you. So like this is a community, so we help each other to learn about like technology. So Google provides support for us to like learn those technology and get rewards for or an appreciation for completing or getting that training. So all the event that has been organized for the students is like free of cost to so that everyone can learn that technologies and get benefited through that and be employable. And like regarding that code, like we need to check once like if that code is working as of now. So like you all have been part of this DSC like after like half of the year. So like we really had to see what all changes has been done to uh, the club like details. So we'll check that link and share that on the group.
All right, sir.
Okay, so we are having one question in chat box. So what is solution challenge? So actually solution challenge is something sort of an hackathon in which we have to develop some project which is going to solve a local problem. Means that project can be a website or an application which will solve any problem of the society. Okay. So Aditya is asking if I join the club, I must actually join a specific campaign. No, actually it's not the case. When we join, any person joins the club, he will be accessible to all the campaigns which are conducted under that club.
So yeah, like all the campaigns like is of 1 to 2 months. So like in past few months we have covered a Google Cloud campaign and Android campaign. So next like in 1 to 2 months there will be a Flutter campaign and Srts campaign. So all the campaigns will be
Yeah, so that's the case. And no, actually GSOC is little bit different from GDSC. GSOC is an open source program conducted by Google everywhere.
that's going.
So Anish, what we will do, we will provide you a link on a WhatsApp group. From that, you can join to the club. It actually depend on the COVID condition, but as of now, each campaign is online. Yes, Aditya. Actually, while doing this campaign, you will gain the skills, and that skill will help you to get selected for GSOC. Okay, so Chaitanya, GSOC is an open source program which is conducted by Google in the month of April to, or it is conducted for 3 to 4 months. Kalpesh, you have to go to the link and click on join or become a member. Means it is same as like you follow an Instagram account or something like that. It is quite similar to that.
So basically like we here covers with like Google developer products. So like there is Android, Cloud, Flutter, and like ML, Firebase. So all the Google products, developer product that help us to build some product out of these technologies are being covered in this club. So like we don't actually focus more on Google Cloud competitions like Kickstart and like other Google competitions or hackathons, but we focus more on how we can develop new product or innovative product innovative ideas to for the society. So using this tech developer tools. Like, do anyone have any questions?
Yeah, feel free to ask if any one of you have any doubt. If you are unable to unmute yourself, you can just drop into the chat box. Okay, so Chaitanya is asking when is the Android campaign? So the Android campaign has been recently started 2-3 weeks back, and Vinay is leading the Android campaign. I think Vinay can explain you more detail about it. Vinay?
Yeah, sure. So during the Android campaign this year, Google gave us one course, and I conducted 2 to 3 sessions where I was explaining the core concepts of Android, and I will help you build Android applications using that course. So it's like a workshop where during the session I'll explain some concepts, and you can after the event you will be able to try that on your laptop and follow that course and build amazing apps.
And regarding the dates, like it has been ended on 16th this month. So yeah, it's no longer live, the Android campaign.
Yeah, correct. It is all about the learning and sharing technologies through Google.
So like this, all the programs or the campaigns is been like supported and guided by Google. So like for all the colleges or all the DSCs, we have same campaigns going on in the same time. So yeah.
Actually, Aditya, the club session depends. Means if any campaign requires any session, then the sessions are conducted. Or else, if the cloud campaign requires any session to be conducted or not, it depends on a particular campaign. Like for Android campaign, last month 4 sessions were conducted. Like we reach out to speakers outside from our college also. It totally depends on particular campaign.
But yeah, we have more sessions for you coming up, like in next few months, so or like next few weeks, so you can just keep an eye out for that.
Yeah, sure. No, actually, all these sessions are conducted online only. Due to the COVID, not a single session is conducted offline yet. Okay, Yash have shared the link for all socials of GDSC, SITS. You can check all of these and you can follow them because that will provide you an update regarding each event and a campaign which is going on. Yeah, so if anyone don't have any question, we are good to end this session.
So yeah, Chaitanya, we will be providing like we have an YouTube channel. We will provide a link for that. You can just go and check that out. Like all the videos on or of the event that we have organized yet. So we will provide that link of that YouTube channel as well.
Yes, and don't worry, the session will come for your time also. Means it's not like that once the cloud campaign is done, so it's done. It will come every year. And it comes periodically. Means after 3 to 4 months campaign comes. You will be informed about all that campaigns through us. Yes, sure, Shraddha. I will share all the links which are required on WhatsApp group. Okay, so Abhishek have dropped the link for our YouTube channel. You can have a look over it.
Okay, so you guys have no further questions. Then shall we end this session? I'm sure that you have an idea about this club at our campus and how you folks can gain benefits and develop yourselves in this fun learning journey. So all you have to do is just stay tuned with us, and all the information about the sessions and events will be shared to you on the groups. Okay, actively participate for your own benefits. Okay. So
Okay,
thank
thank
you
you.
for sticking till the end. Thank you. We end this session.